Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to easily put two videos side by side in CapCut PC. Let's use these two example videos to demonstrate. Drag your primary video to the timeline as your base layer. Then, place your second video directly above it on the overlay track. Trim both clips to ensure they have matching durations. Now go to Video Basics and select Blend Mode. Temporarily lower the opacity. This helps you align both videos perfectly. At the preview window to position your videos exactly where you want them. Next, go to the video mask. Apply a horizontal mask to the top video and rotate it 90 degrees to create a vertical divider. Adjust the mask position as needed. Fine-tune your video positions in Video Basics if needed. Finally, return the opacity to 100% for clear. That's it! You've now mastered the split screen effect in CapCut. For more professional editing tricks, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy editing!